Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add or invite people into your Discord server. So let's get started. So here we are in our Discord server, and then from here what we're going to do is click here on our server name at the top left of our screen right here, and you can see the invite people option right here. So you want to click on it right here, and you're going to search for friends, and you can see the friends that you have right here that you can invite into your Discord server, and we have a lot right here. So you can do this right here. You can click on them individually. You can click on invite just like this, invite, and so on. I can also click on the copy button right here. This would have a server invite link right here, and as you can see it expires in 7 days, and as you can see it's currently hidden right here. You can see it, but once we paste it, you can see it right here after this. Then once you're done clicking on invite to your friends right here that you want to invite, then you want to go here, and we can see that when we paste it right here, we can have our Discord link right here. So this is basically it right here, and yeah, that is basically how you can invite or add your Discord friends into your Discord server. Thank you for watching.